Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Chevy lean in your Silverado. First, you need to accurately identify if your truck has this common issue. The Chevy lean typically means one side of your truck sits noticeably lower than the other, often the driver's side. To confirm, measure the distance from the ground to the fender on all four corners. If you find a difference of 1 inch or more between sides, you likely have a lean that needs addressing. Several factors can contribute to your Silverado's lean. Worn or fatigued leaf springs, especially on the driver's side, are a very common culprit. Over time, these springs can lose their arch and support. Additionally, a weakened front coil spring can also play a role. Don't forget to consider uneven weight distribution from heavy tools or aftermarket accessories, which can significantly impact your truck's level stance. To accurately diagnose the lean, begin by thoroughly inspecting your suspension components. Look closely at the leaf springs for any visible cracks, severe sagging, or broken leaves. Next, examine the front coil springs for signs of fatigue or damage. Also, check the condition of your body mounts. They should be firm and intact, not crushed or separated. Precise measurements of these components will help pinpoint the exact source of the lean. Once you've identified the cause, several solutions can fix your Silverado's lean. If leaf springs are the issue, replacing them with new or heavy-duty options is effective. For minor height discrepancies, installing a leveling kit or shims can provide a quick fix. If front coil springs are fatigued, replacing them will restore proper height. Finally, upgrading any compromised body mounts will ensure a stable and level ride for your truck.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.